Happy Sunday. Aztec Caesar here. This is a new video I want to show you. It's a cool part that we made. I don't know the name of it because all the names that we have are pretty weird, like door stop and dog block, whatnot. In the background's 9-inch nails eraser drums that I cut out. Sick. With monks in the background. You gotta wait for the end. I'll show you the finished product. It's pretty cool looking. Shout out to Thor. What's up, man? How you doing? It's been a long time. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And that there is the finished product. Fancy aluminum shiny stuff. I don't know what it's called, like I said, but it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.